Guess where I'm sleeping tonight? You're looking at it. I'm in my new van. I just parted ways with my parents at the airport. Their flight back to California is today, and I booked mine for tomorrow because it was cheaper. When I was looking for accommodation for tonight, I came across this van on Airbnb. I figured, why not try it out and experiment with it myself for one night? I'm going to head to the beach and try to snorkel a little bit. It's currently, ooh, 2:22. Make a wish.
It's gonna get better, it's gonna get worse. One day is a blessing, the next is a curse.
Of course, I somehow forgot my GoPro on this trip, so now I'm out here trying to see if I can get a fish with my cell phone camera, which is not going to work. And I think that I'm just going to go back to snorkeling and enjoying it without capturing it. Since I've been staying at hotels, I didn't bring a towel, and so I just dried off in the sun and then went into the bathroom and toweled myself off as best I could with toilet paper. Didn't even realize I had paper towels till after I came out of the stall. Anyway, and now I've changed into dry clothes and I'm headed back to my van, and we're going to find a spot to camp tonight.
You should hurry to love him now.
I just stopped at this overlook because I've got a van and I'm mobile now, and why not stop wherever I want?
But that's how it is, that's how love's supposed.
I just showed up to the parking lot where I'm sleeping tonight and it's completely deserted. Am I in the right place? Am I not? I thought there'd be other people kind of camping or car camping here. I also have to go to the bathroom, so I'm gonna go try to find that. Need to not let my mind go wild, imagining all the worst possible scenarios tonight. Anywho, I'm in my bed for the night. It's only like 8 o'clock, but I'm pretty tired from the weekend. Just want to zonk out and see the sunrise tomorrow.
Oh, you should hurry to love him now.
I had a pretty pleasant night. There was just one tiny incident of a large Japanese family or group of friends went for a night swim here, and then two ladies stayed up in the parking lot and had a conversation in Japanese by my car. So they woke me up, but other than that, no incidents. I think I might go out for a little beach walk because I'm right by the beach.
I have an hour and a half until I have to return the van, so I'm going to drive back toward Honolulu. I'm back at the drop-off parking lot. Bye, van! I'm headed to the airport now and then back to California, so bye Hawaii as well.
Hawaii, Manoa, which is surrounded by the Kohala mountain range.